Need a drink that lets you be the holiday hostess with the mostest without being chained to the wet bar serving up cocktails? Say the word spritzer and you can't help but imagine a refreshing drink that livens up your senses. Add some fresh or frozen cranberries and apple slices. This simple addition transforms your spritzer into an exciting holiday drink. Fill 4 to 6 serving glasses with ice. Garnish each glass with a thin apple slice, 3 cranberries, and a sprig of fresh mint.